So this is how you can mute the iPad 5th generation, or essentially any kind of iPad that you might be having. So there are more options, of course. First of all, what you can do is to swipe down to access the control center and look for the button to turn off the sound. So you can see the mute/ring button. If you do not have it, you can hold down on the toggles right here, tap on add a control, and from the available things, find the mute switch, right? So you just want to find that. You can also just look it up right there. So it's like the silent mode. You need to type in the silent into the search, and it will make the ring icon show up, and you can add it and quickly toggle on or off the silent mode or mute mode. Keep in mind that some older iPads used to have a dedicated mute switch, just like some iPhones have, the physical button on the side, and that one as well might allow you to quickly mute the iPad. But as I say, it's not really a thing anymore. Most of the newer iPads do not even have that, right? So, I'm just mentioning it to include all of the other models. But outside of that, there are more ways how you can mute the iPad, right? You can also just selectively mute some different things by applying a focus mode. So you can go to these settings and find focus, and there you can enable the do not disturb or driving, sleeping, working, focus mode, whatever it is. But this might as well just block some things which you do not need or want and make the experience a lot better for you. So feel free to explore these options as well. Now that's going to be about it from me. I honestly hope that I can help you with this. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.